Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week, using these lines, we drew an independent special, which was Mr. Crab. And I saw some of your lovely crab. It was very good. Well done for that activity. Well, boys and girls, this week we're going to learn more about our spirituality as Catholics because we're in the month of November. And the month of November we observe those who have died, who are very dear to us. And so I would find that it would be quite fitting for me to talk about Mary as the Queen of Spiritual Flowers. And she has a flower garden. Some of the children in my other classes know about this. But I'm just going to touch upon it because the month of November is praying for the dead, and so boys and girls, let us remember our dead, and we're going to draw flowers as a way of offering them these flowers for their soul to rest in peace. So for this particular class, boys and girls, Blessed Mother is known as full of grace, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb. And so this today we're going to draw is a fruit. And we're going to start by drawing a line going from one side to the other, like that. And boys and girls, we're going to draw some little circular, like an irregular circle, shall we say. Let's go right across the page, like that, all the way across your page. And then we're going to draw some more of those circles, but maybe we can just do a dot instead now. We can do dots this time. And then we're going to draw zigzag going around like that. Zigzag going around like that. Zigzag going around like that. So let's do the zigzag again. Up, down, 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 up. And then we're going to do this again, the zigzag. Zigzag going around like this. Zigzag going around. One more time, boys and girls. Zigzag going around. Well done. I hope you're catching up with me. And then, boys and girls, I'd like you to draw just a rectangle like that. I'm sure you're familiar with this shape in any case. Like that. Let's make it finer. Make it finer like that. Yeah, that's better. And we're going to draw a nice big irregular circle like that. Can you do that again? Nice big irregular circle. One more time, boys and girls. Nice big irregular circle. Now, with all these lines that we have here, can you guess what fruit we're going to draw to honor our Blessed Mother as we pray and think about our dearly departed? Okay, let's see if you can figure it out. All right, boys and girls. Paper is a bit marked up, so I'm just going to put another one on top of it like that. And so boys and girls, we're going to begin with that, a big irregular circle like that. Very good, boys and girls. And then, do you remember that zigzag we were doing? Yeah, let's try it here now. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Well done. And then we're going to draw a very fine rectangle like that. Then we're going to draw some dots like this, just sporadically putting them there like that. Then as it's going closer to the center, we're actually going to make it small circles like that. And let's just do that like that. And as we're going lower again, it's going to become dots again like that. You got it. Now, can you guess what this is? That's right, boys and girls. It's a strawberry. And yes, the strawberry depicts the fruitful Virgin, which is our Blessed Mother. So, boys and girls, when you've done that, you're going to colour the strawberry in the brightest, vibrant red that you can, not colouring in the circles. That we're going to colour that in pale yellow colour. And don't forget, right here at the top of the strawberry, colour this in green, and the stem that holds the fruit up. So, boys and girls, that's it. Well done for working with me, and you're doing very well. Let's add a little circle here and one here. Good. So I can't wait when you've finished your drawing to share it with me. And happy drawing, boys and girls. Bye.